Let us solve the following. A kiddy bank contains 50 paise coins, 51 rupee coins, 22 rupees coins, and 10 rupees coins. If it is equally likely that one of the coins will fall out when the bank is turned upside down, what is the probability that the coin will be a 50 paise coin, will not be a 5 rupees coin? Okay, so here we have a kiddy bank in which 150 paise coins are there, 51 rupee coins, 22 rupees coins, and 10 rupees coins are there. We need to find out the probability when it is turned upside down, a coin will fall down. So we need to find out the probability if the coin is a 50 paise coin and not a 5 rupees coin. Two events are given here in this draw. Okay, right. Now, first let us find out the total possible outcomes. Total outcomes we need to find out. So, to find the probability, we first need to determine the total number of coins in the kiddy bank. Obviously, they become the total possible outcomes for that particular event. Okay. So, total number of coins, how many are there? 50 paise coins or 100, 1 rupee coins or 50, 2 rupee coins or 20, and 5 rupees coins or 10. So, total number of coins are 100 plus 50 plus 20 plus 10, that is nothing but 180. So total possible outcomes will be 180 here. So let us find out, the probability of getting a 50 paise coin. First event is we need to find out the coin that will be a 50, the probability of a coin that will be a 50 paise coin. Okay, so here the total number of favorable outcomes in this event will be number of 50 paise coins. When the kiddy bank is turned upside down, a coin will fall out, definitely. If it should be a 50 paise coin means, the total number of favorable outcomes will be number of 50 paise coins only. How many favorable outcomes are there? Then we have 150 paise coins, so favorable outcomes will be 100. Total possible outcomes are 180. Total number of coins there. So probability of any event we will get by using the formula number of favorable outcomes by total number of possible outcomes. Okay, so favorable outcomes are 100 and possible outcomes are 180. So probability of getting a coin which is 50 paise coin will be 100 by 180. Favorable outcomes are 100 and total outcomes are 180. Okay, so simplifying the fraction, what we will get? 100 by 180 becomes 5 by 9. Okay, so 5 by 9 is the probability of getting a 50 paise coin when the kiddy bank is turned upside down. Okay, here the probability becomes 5 by 9 for this event. Okay, second event, what is the second event given? Probability that the coin will not be a 5 rupee coin. Here when the kiddy bank is turned upside down, when the coin comes out, it should not be a 5 rupees coin. It should not be a 5 rupees coin. That means it can be a 50 paise coin or 1 rupee coin or 2 rupees coin, but it should not be a 5 rupees coin. So what will be the favorable number of favorable outcomes? Definitely a coin that is not a 5 rupees coin means it can be a 50 paise or 1 rupee coin or 2 rupees coin. So the total number of favorable outcomes becomes 100 plus 50 plus 20, because we have added the number of 50 paise coins and 1 rupee coins and 2 rupees coins. Okay, so favorable outcomes becomes 170. And how many possible outcomes are there? 180 are there. Okay, so the probability of not getting a 5 rupees coin will be 170 by 180. Okay, because 170 is the total number of coins having 50 paise, 1 rupee and 2 rupees. We are not including 5 rupees coin here because we are finding out the probability of the coin which is not a 5 rupees coin. Okay, so here the probability of not getting a 5 rupees coin will be 170 by 180, that is equal to 17 by 18. Okay, so this is one way to find out the probability of getting a coin which is not 5 rupees. We can find it out by using one more model also, one more method also. How can we find it out? Just simply subtracting the probability of getting a 5 rupees coin from 1. Okay, so this is called as alternative method or method 2. Okay, whatever it is, using the complement rule. Okay, so probability of not getting a 5 rupees coin will be equal to 1 minus probability of getting a 5 rupees coin. To find out by using this formula, first we need to find out the probability of getting a 5 rupees coin. Again, the probability of getting a 5 rupees coin means the favorable outcome should be the total number of 5 rupees coins. How many 5 rupees coins are there for us? 10 are there. So favorable outcomes are 10, and total possible outcomes are 180, total number of coins. Okay, so here the probability of getting a 5 rupees coin will be equal to 10 by 180, that is nothing but 1 by 18. Okay, so we are able to find out the probability of getting a 5 rupees coin, that is equal to 1 by 18. But what did they ask? They asked us not to find out the probability of a coin which is not rupees 5, which is 5 rupees coin. Okay, which is not a 5 rupees coin, sorry, which is not a 5 rupees coin. So how will we get it? The probability of for not getting a 5 rupees coin will be equal to 1 minus the probability of getting a 5 rupees coin. That means 1 minus 1 by 18, that is equal 17 by 18. So we can use this method as well as this method also, adding the different coins other than 5 rupees coin, taking them as the favorable outcomes, or finding out the probability of getting a 5 rupees coin and subtracting it from 1. Both are correct only. So however we do, what is the probability of not getting a 5 rupees coin? It is nothing but 17 by 18. Okay, and what is the probability of getting a 50 paise coin? That is 5 by 9. Okay, yes or no? So in this way we are able to find out the probabilities of different events when a kitty bank is taken with different number of coins. Okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.